Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about third class mathematics chapter. So here first chapter, before we will discuss just revision. Already we learned about numbers and number names up to 1000. So now we will going to discuss about revision exercise in third class. So you know already what is the numbers and what is the digits. Just I will explain first of all digits. So see here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma dash 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 9. So these all what is this digits? Here 1 digit, here 2 digits, here 3 digits. These are digits. Now we are going to discuss numbers, counting numbers. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma dash 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 end. So end is called what? Counting numbers. So this call again one name also have this name is natural numbers. So just before we already know digits and numbers. Now we are going to discuss number names. We already learned in third class so many numbers up to 100 and thousands and 10,000 also. So now we are discuss about numbers and number names. First of all, here given open your book and page number first take pencils. You carefully focus on the blackboard. The first one is write the number names for the numerals shown in the place value chart. So first of all here given, see here given hundreds, tens, ones and here number names. So I am here explain just 2 and 3 questions, then after you only do the problems. Okay. First of all I explain first one is 4 2 9. So here in this 4 2 9, 4 has 100th place and 2 has 10th place and 9 has 1st place. So now here write this number name. So what is the number name? You know already this number name. You know again one time I will explain that. What is the number name? This 400. Here have 400th place. That's why 400. Here have 10th place 2. That's why 20. Here have 1st place 9. So what is the number name? 400 and 29. This is the first one question. Very easy. Next, I will explain. I will go to fourth question. 590. So this 590. Here have 5 100th place, 9 10th place, 0 1st place. Now you write this number name as it is. This like 500th place. That's why 500. What have here? 9. Here 1's place 0. It's called 9 into 10, 90. 0 into 1, 0 only. That's why total what is the number? 90. 590. Okay. Carefully write in your book. Next, I will go with the last one. 106. Here middle have that all number names. You only write. Why? Because you already know what is the number name. You already learned in second class. So last what is the number? 100 and 6. Why? Because here only have 0. Here 10th place not is there. Here have 0. That's why 10th place remove. Don't write here. So now you write 106 means 106. So this is the number names. Here given numbers given, digits given. Here you write what number names. Now turn your paper, second paper. In this second bit, compare the numbers, write greater than or less than in the blanks. So these also very easy. Here also I will explain only 3 problems. Remaining you only solve at your home. Okay. Next question. First question in next bit. 597 dash 957, and I will go with the fourth question 845 dash 754. I will go with the sixth last one question 234 dash 212. Here given, you put here less than or greater than. These signs you put in these blanks. So how to find out which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number? Very easy. So first of all, here have all three digits numbers. So like these are hundreds have here, totally hundreds have. So you focus on first of all hundredth place. This is ones, tens, hundreds. So this is hundredth place. Here also come ones, tens, hundreds. This also hundredth place. So here 100 plus 5 have. So what is the number name? 597. So 5 means 500. Here come 9. Which place have 9? 100th place. 957. Here 100th place 9 have. Here 100th place 5 have. Which one is bigger here? 5 bigger than 9 or 9 bigger than 5? You know already 9 bigger than 5. So what is the biggest number in this question? This is the biggest number. That's why you put which sign? Less than sign. Where is number biggest? There open mouth symbol kept there. Okay, open mouth symbol. You know this like which one bigger number? There open mouth side symbol kept here, right? Because this is the name is this is the blind symbol. Okay, so less than. Okay, why less than? Here 9 is greater than 5. Now come here, very easy. Here 100th place 8. Here 100th place 7. Which one is bigger? Very good. Which one is bigger here? 845. So which one symbol kept here? Greater than. What is this? Greater than. This symbol name is less than. And this symbol name is greater than. Greater than. This is very important. Now read how to read this. 597 less than 957. అంటే 597 అనే నంబర్ 957 అనే నంబర్ కన్నా చిన్నది. Now come here. 845 greater than 754. అంటే 845 అనే నంబర్ 754 అనే నంబర్ కన్నా పెద్దది. Now here come, here also now very critical position have here. Why? Because here 100 plus 2 have, here also 100 plus 2 have. These both are same. Now leave it. You don't confuse. Now come here 10th place. Here 10th place 3 is there. Here 10th place 1 is there. So here in this 10th place, which one is bigger? Very good. 3 is bigger. That's why which one number is bigger than which one number? 234 is bigger than 212. Here which one symbol can you kept less than or greater than? Yes, very good. Which is this symbol? Greater than. Now how to read this question? How to read this question? 234 greater than 212. 234 అనే నంబర్ 212 అనే నంబర్ కన్నా పెద్దది. Understand? Okay. Now here given remaining 3 questions that are homework questions that you only solve. Next bit third bit. Read the numerals and write the missing numerals in the blanks. This is very easy. I will explain here also 2 or 3 questions. Remaining you only solve 469, 470, 471, 472, dash, 476, 477. Next I will go with 6th question. 275, 250, 225, dash, 175. Now see here given consecutive numbers. You know consecutive numbers means continuous numbers. 469, then after one add 470, then after you add 471, Then after you add 472. Now what is the after numbers here? Very easy, you know. 472 after 473. 473 after 474. These after 475. Okay, very easy these. Why? Because these are continuous numbers. Very easy. Find out answer. Now come with the sixth question. Here given 275 and next number see here 250 given. If you not understand, okay. Now just to focus on the blackboard. Explain now. Here given 225. So what is the difference between these three numbers? So first one we take these two numbers. 275 given here. Here 250 given. What is the difference between here less than 25? 275 number subtract 250. 275 from 250. How much difference here? 25. And here also what is the difference to 250 to 25? Here less than 25. So here also you write less than 25 numbers right here. Here 225 I have here. This 225 from left from 25. What is the answer? 200. And here this 200 you subtract 25. You get which number? 175. This 175 you subtract 25. What get? 150. This 125 you subtract 25. 125. This 125 you subtract 25 you get 100. Then after subtract 25 you get 75. Anybody doubt here? You first of all you see this question. First of all understand what given in this question. What is the technical issue here? So here given what minus. What is the difference here of these both numbers? 25 difference. Now here also you continue with the difference of 25. Okay. Next remaining questions also same as it is questions. Very easy questions. This one only find out difference, find out then less than half or greater than half, find out. Then after you go to solve that questions. Okay, very easy. Now come to fourth bit. In this fourth bit, write the smallest numeral in each of the following groups in the boxes given at the end. Here what asking? Repeated the question. Write the smallest numeral in each of the following groups in boxes given at the end. So here given one group of numbers. In this group of numbers you find out smallest number. I will explain here only three problems. Then after you only find out which one is smallest. 784, 764, 748, 798, 758. After you are given one box, in this box what write? Find out smallest number right there. Okay. Next I will go with fifth one. 514, 548, 578, 518, 564. So these two questions can you observe, then after you solve remaining problems. So you are asking what is smallest number. So now you find out the smallest number. Here we first of all see focus on 100th place. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Now leave it. Why? Because all have here 700th place, 7 only have. Now you come to 10th place. Here 10th place 8. Here 10th place 6. Here 10th place 4. Here 10th place 5. Here 10th place 5. Now see which one is least have here 10th place. You already now observe which one is least. 4 is least. Why? Because here 8. Here 6. Here 9. Here 5. Which one is least? This 4 is least. So what is the least number? Least means smallest number. Which one is smallest number here? 748. Why? Because here 100th place all same value have here. That's why you go with the 10th place. Here 10th place, which one is smallest? 4 is very smallest. That's why in this group, which one is smallest number? 748. Understand? This like you go and find these answers. Now come here. Here also all 100th place 5, 500, 500, 500 is there. Next come here 10th place. Here 1 have, here 4, here 7, here 1, here 6. Now here least number, which one are here? Here 1 and here also 1. Now you take this both numbers only take. Why? Because tens place 1 have, here 1 have. Both are same numbers. Remaining biggest numbers is there. Now you focus on these two numbers. Now come with again 10 ones place. Here have 4, here have 18. Now which one 4 greater or 8 greater? Here greater is 8. 4 is smallest. Here which one is smallest number? 514. Now here write 514 is the smallest number. Okay, understand? Now remaining problems are very easy. You find out as it is. This like find out, then after solve answer. Now I'll explain last one list. Fifth one bit. Write the largest numeral. Write the largest numeral among each group in the following. Write your answer in the box. As it is same question. Now you write largest number. Largest number. I will explain one problem. Remaining you only do that. 434, 481, 461, 164, 248. Here find out the largest number. Now see here 100 plus 4, 4, 4. Here 1, here 1. These both are cancelled. Why? Because this is the least numbers. Here have biggest number 4, 4, 4 have 100 place. Both these three is same. Now you come tens place. Here 6 is there. Here 8. Here 3. Which one is biggest? 6, 8, 3. 8 is biggest. So this is the biggest number in this group. So here write 481. Okay. This like you in this box write largest number. This total bits is very easy. Today what I given work, that all work do in your book. Then after send pics in our WhatsApp group. Thank you. Tomorrow I will discuss next chapter. Thank you very much.